Okay. On that day, I have given you the question. Have you solved? The question which is given to you, question number 8. And I have told you to submit the questions or answer of the questions to my messenger. Have you sent me? Palsin,
Sir,
have you done the question?
no, sir.
Why?
Bone na.
Have you informed me? No. Ah,
No, sir.
okay. So look here. First, read the question carefully and understand the question clearly. Is it? Because if you understand the question at once, you can solve it by yourself. But before understanding the question, don't try to solve it. Okay? Because if you try to solve it, okay, before understanding the question, there you don't have any idea for that. That's why first you need to understand the question carefully. Okay? So look here. Here, what is that? Shashwat obtain Suraj, erase your line. And don't disturb. Here, Shashwat obtained an average marks of 15 in 3 subjects. Okay, so that what? Here, Shashwat obtains, okay, the average mark that is obtained by Shashwat in 3 subjects is 15. Okay, are you listening?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so here uh, the average mark in 3 subject is 15, so that the total mark is what? The total marks in 3 subject is equal to what? This is also similar to question number 7, so don't think anymore. Okay, as we have the total average is equal to the sum of total data by the number of data. So here, as we have given here average, and we need to find, this is the total marks in 3 subjects. It means what? This is the sum of the marks obtained in 3 subjects. Okay, so when we divide the sum by the number of data to find the average, in the same way, to find the sum of the marks or sum of the data, we multiply the average by the number of data. So that here we have 15 into, okay, 3 is equal to what? 45.
45.
45 marks. Okay, Shashwat obtained in 3 subjects. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what is,
That is formula.
have you learned say question number 7 or not, Palsin?
No, sir.
Question number 7 in our previous class.
No, sir.
No, sir. Then why didn't you look the what is that? That video in YouTube. Here we applied this thing in question number 7 already to find the sum of the data, isn't it?
Okay, sir.
In the same way, okay.
Okay, sir.
In the same way, we find the total number in 3 subjects, okay. So then after when the mark obtained in another subject is also included, that means it means what? Shashwat obtained some mark in other subject also except the 3 subject, okay, except the 3
Yes, sir.
subject he obtained other marks too in other subject, okay. so that so that the average mark is increased by 1. So first we have the average mark what? 15. But when the fourth subject
Yes, sir.
mark is added, okay, in the third subject mark, the average mark would be increased by 1, okay. So that the average marks of now the 3 subject and 1 subject, how many subject are there?
4.
4 subjects. So the average marks
What?
of 4 subjects is equal to 15 and plus 1 is equal to 16 marks. The average mark of 4 subject is 16 marks. Then after what? Look here. Find the marks obtained in the 4 subjects. So as we know here, the marks obtained in 3 subject is 45 and the average mark of 4 subject is 16. So that we have what? The total we have the formula of average is equal to the sum of total mark or the total sum of the data by the number of data, is it? So here now we don't have the given mark, we don't have given mark of 4 subjects, so that we should let here or suppose here, okay, the marks obtained in fourth subject subjects is equal to X mark. Because we don't have given, we can let here write here say. That means we suppose the mark obtained in fourth subject be X. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Then
sir.
after, now we use the formula, okay.
Okay, sir.
So here, but before this,
Data.
the total
Some of the data.
marks of 4 subject is equal to, as we know, we have the marks of 3 subject here 15 sorry 45
Yes, sir.
and the marks obtained in the fourth subject is X. So 45 plus X mark. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Then after, now we use the formula Okay, average is equal to sum of the data by the number of data. Is
Data.
it okay?
Yes, sir.
So as we have given, the average of 4 subject is here 16. We have given here average of 4 subject is 16. Okay. So 16 is equal to 16 is equal to what is the sum of the data? The sum of the data is 45 plus x. 45 plus
Works.
x is the
X.
sum of the data, and the total number is equal to what? 4 subject we have, so 4. Okay, altogether 4 subject, 3 subject and 1 subject, 4 subject. Is it okay? And now use here cross multiplication. Okay, the 16 for the 64 is equal to 45 plus x. Is it okay or not? Use here cross multiplication.
No, sir.
Use here cross multiplication. Here we have given 16, okay, is equal to 45 plus x by 4. Is this? So there is nothing, it means 1. And we use the cross multiplication. Is it okay? So 16 into 4, 64 here, 64 and is equal to, and 45 into 1, 45 plus x into 1 is equal to 45 plus x. Is it okay? Is it okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then after or 64 minus, when 45 come to this side, it operate the subtraction sign. So for 64 minus 45 is equal to x. So what would be the answer? Tell me the answer. Are you listening? After subtracting, what is the answer of x? X is equal to 19 marks. So 19 marks is obtained in the 4th subject. This is your answer. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Ritika Sa. And is there any problem? No? Then thank you. And you have for you.
Sir,
Yes.
I have little problem in the total marks is equal to. I only don't know how to make them right in proper order.
What?
I only don't know how to write in proper order that the total marks in 3 subject is equal to like that.
First, you need to try to put the language, okay? first.
Language can
And before that you need to understand the question, or once if you understand the question, try to write the statements of your question, okay, using language, or if you try to write it in the proper language, or if you understand the question properly, there I think there won't be any problem to you to write the questions in language. No, Palsin?
yes, sir.
So first you need to try that. Okay, any other question, Palsin?
Why
So
are you writing the Yox marks and cost say?
say we suppose late, because the fourth subject mark is not given, that's why we write here say. That means we supposed. Okay, okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. So for you I have a question here. Okay, take a screenshot of the question, you need to solve it.
I am writing in laptop. Laptop.
Use there in the laptop there is given PRTSC, that means a screenshot
Where?
in the laptop key. PRTSC.
Direct or
Yeah, direct you can
yes, sir. I have some there. Only that PRT UCR.
yeah you can just press that button, and then after somewhere okay, immediately you need to somewhere paste that. Do you know copy and pasting?
So, and there is one web capture mode. Where does all those capture photos?
Yeah, you can, but I am using that. PRTSC.
What happening?
Ah,
What happening?
okay, so after the class you can take the question from the video too. Okay,
Screen